Hello, I am Biplav speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I started work at 9 a.m. in the morning. I check all my detail, Beta Team channel, and also my everyday's mail, and then I go to my Google Drive, and over there I open my BA Task Manager and Ultimate List. Today I have assigned work on a Frontier 031 PO form. I done it and also set it on the channel. Please check it. I also comment on here. Okay, then I go to my schedule work, and it was today I work on Bradley Colwell. I got from then near about 500 products. I have not finished all the products. FBM is remain actually. Today I finished Amazon and FBA. So I got here some products, and this is already not matched with the BCL inventory. I got only 3 products, and Amazon side I didn't get any products over there. I set it on the Ultimate channel. In this supplier have some question on their website. Their maximum products showing MEP and does not match with the buy box price, and their suggest retail price, and actually I am saying that it's some confusing their MEP rate and suggestion rate. So if you have any suggestion, please suggest me. And then all products actually I am submitted here, and then I go to another works, that is KZ ads. I do the KZ ads and work on that. Today I didn't get any mail from Reddy. So this is all of my works. So thank you for watching my video. Today is a